This is a big hit for me. This guy, I've been looking for him for about a month now, and he's been a tough one to find. We we finally got a good place of employment address on this guy, and I'm going to hit it right now. I'm 90% sure this guy's there. Let's see, it's a GMC Yukon. I believe it's a 2003 model. Yeah, 2003 GMC Yukon. It's color black. I saw it the other day. They had it blocked in. I couldn't get to it at his house. And it's not the nicest looking ride. It's not the prettiest Yukon I've ever seen. I'll see you in a sec, GoPro. Alright. So according to the map, it should be right down here on the right. It should be a big shop. I'm not sure if there's gonna be a security guard or not. It looks like kind of an industrial. It looks like a, honestly, on the map, it looks like a welding shop. Yeah, here we go. It's this tan building. I don't see him. One of this church. All right, I'm gonna do a little walkthrough. So I'm probably gonna pause the camera for a second so I don't look too suspicious with the GoPro on my forehead. Seems to be a little harder when the steering wheel's not locked for good reason. You can't control the wheels. Okay, now let's take it real slow. To the church and break into it. We might go a little bit further than the church, but we got it. Real easy right here. Oh, and no, it's trying to go sideways on me. So let's just stop right there.